Introducing Robot Mesh Virtual Academy, a browser-based virtual tutor for learning how to program VEX robots. Robot Mesh Virtual Academy makes use of Google Blockly, your web browser, and software simulation to teach both computer science and robot hardware concepts through a series of guided tutorials. Unlike conventional robotics programs that involve heavy reading and lots of prerequisite coursework, Robot Mesh Virtual Academy is designed to teach robotics through play. Lessons are self-guided, and no previous experience with programming or robotics is assumed or required. In the beginning, the tutorials start off being very prescriptive. However, as new concepts are mastered, the lessons become increasingly more open and exploratory. The content in the project description pane is designed to guide classroom discussion and typically includes potential solutions to the problem, real-life applications of the robotics concept that is being presented, and a list of extension activities. Students access these lessons by entering a web address that is unique to their classroom into their web browser. No student information is collected or stored by the software. Students can log in using generic usernames and passwords, or their teachers can personalize their accounts. As students progress through their coursework, the teacher panel allows an instructor to keep track of student progress. Through this panel, the teacher can adjust and personalize coursework, allowing the instructor to differentiate learning for each student. Project reports indicate information about which lessons have been completed and how the student performed. The Blockly programs that students create can be used to generate code in other programming languages, such as Python. Python is a modern programming language that is one of the most commonly used in the world today. The side-by-side pairing of Blockly and Python allows students to quickly learn important programming concepts without initially being overwhelmed by a program's syntax. The code that is used to control the virtual replica is fully compatible with physical VEX robots and is tournament legal for VEX robotics competitions, making Robot Mesh Virtual Academy an excellent resource for both new and experienced roboticists. When you're ready to run your code on a real robot, simply plug the physical robot into your computer to transfer your programs. Start your robotics journey today.